What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to program a smart key to a Ford Mustang using the AUTEL KM100. This is on a 2021 Mustang. This procedure will be the same or similar. Pretty much all the Mustangs 15 and up that have a smart key. So a couple things to take note of here. This is a push to start ignition. So our key looks like this. And what we're going to have to do is find our learning slot, which for this vehicle is in the cup holder. This is our key that we're going to program. You might have to remove some rubber trim there, have it right here. And then your key will go in there for programming. So if this isn't all keys lost, I recommend to go ahead and just grab both options of key, one with the remote start, one without. Program both keys, and only one is going to work as far as the buttons go and the proximity function. So I already have a working key. I know it's got the remote start. I can skip a step there. Let's get started on the key programming. We're going to go to Immobilizer. Make sure your VCI is plugged into the OBD port and that's properly connected there, as we see with the green check mark. You're also going to need internet connection. So let's go ahead and find our vehicle. I recommend on Fords, this is an AUTEL thing, to just do manual selection. I'm having inconsistencies with programming if I try to do automatic connection for some reason. So just something I've noticed using this tool a lot. We're in USA, we're going to go to Mustang, and we're going to go to 2020 Plus, Smart Key. Yes, this is the vehicle. What I'm going to do is touch our ignition button, turn the ignition on. If you are doing all keys lost, you might have to put on the hazards, but we're going to do an Immobilizer status scan first. Make sure there's no problems with the vehicle to get in the way of programming, which we see everything passed. So we'll hit add a key down here. It's going to give us all the steps. We'll hit start. We do have it connected to internet. We're good there. And it will turn your gauge cluster off. So just don't be afraid of that, because a lot of people freak out when they first see it. We are connected to the VCI. We are not connected USB, but I'm going to go ahead and try it anyway. Is the alarm active? It is not active. We got lucky on this one. If you are doing a all keys lost with an active alarm, hit yes, follow the instructions, and yeah, buckle up. It'll be a fun one. So we'll hit no. Remember, we do have our key in the learning slot in the cup holder of the vehicle. So as this is counting down, we'll notice the gauge cluster has turned black. We also had the dome lights on. Those also went off. Can take up to 10 minutes. I'll show you in real time how long that this takes. All right, I did step outside here. It's just getting hard to see in the car. We're at 99% now. I will tell you, this did take a lot longer than I anticipated. I'm wondering if plugging in would have done better, or if my internet connection's not too good. But nonetheless, let's see what happens. Alright, so after that countdown, our dash lights are now back on. Let's see what the key tool tells us. Alright, now our keys. Learn two keys. This is where we'll have to have our key in our slot. Let's go ahead and hit OK. Place key in slot. Possible options for where the slot is. So we'll hit OK. Alright. Now our key number has increased to 3. Learning successful. Do we want to learn the next key? No. Alright, so let's take our key out. Gonna make sure that it backs out completely. Alright, so it has closed out of the programming menu, so let's go ahead and check our buttons. Lock, unlock work. And then we want to be able to start the car without the key in the slot. Let's go ahead and put our foot on the brake. Make sure no messages on the dash. Vehicle is on. Driver door open. No theft light, no key message, and no warning lights. So that's what we want to see. Again, this is a 2021 Mustang key programming with the AUTEL KM100. I hope this helps. Thank you for your time.